When you're charging these units, another thing that I didn't say, you gotta have it on the thermostat on auto and cool. Turn the unit on. Make sure that door switch is shut. Hook up your blue hose to the unit. Hook up your yellow hose to the red side of the tank. Turn the unit on. And then read that gauge. Whatever gauge reading you got. Right now it's on 90. Take 90, you go on 410. Again on this chart, 90. Close to 90 is 89.2. So you go over. 89.2, if you look, is 26. So you take that 26 from that line temperature, which when we use that temperature gauge, it read 80. So take the 80 from the gauge temperature, take this pressure of 90, which I determined again under 410, 90 is 89.2, close enough. You take the 90 from the 89.2, take that 90 from that line temperature, and this pressure chart say under 89, which is closer to 90, right? It's 20, it's 40. Let me make sure. 410. 89.2 is 26. So you take 26 over there by my thumb and subtract it from that 80. That'd be 60. You're nowhere near down by 12. Jay is giving it a more Freon because we determined that that wasn't enough in there. So every time you charge it or throttle the refrigerant in there, some technicians call it throttling. Throttle means charge or let some Freon in there. And we let some in there. So right now it's at 98. The gauge reads 98. See people? 98. We reading that blue otter where the white tick's at. It's pretty much at 98. So 98 under 410. Let's go with 97. 410, 97, go over, it's 30. What's your line temperature, Jay? $79. They get 77. Let's go with 77.7. So you take 77.7 and that last, that's that line reading. And the gauge reading at 98 under 410 on this chart. Sorry about that, people. 410. 98. We gonna go with 97. It's 30. 30 subtracted from the 77. It gives 40. Or temperature of 40. That's not enough. But we're gonna throttle it or charge it a little at a time until we get down to 12 when we subtract it. That line read from 98 on the chart, which gives you again about 30. 30 from 77 is 40. So we nowhere near it.